How to share YouTube videos without the trending tab. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the method for that. So, without any delay, let's just dive right in with the video. Start by opening up YouTube. And the thing you need to understand is the trending tab has been officially discontinued by YouTube as of July 2025, and it is replaced with a personalized recommendations and topic specific charts. So once you are in YouTube, you can find the most popular content in specific categories like music, gaming, etc. Usually, you can just go over and check it out within your homepage of your YouTube or even on charts.youtube.com, etc. And you can just go over and check it out. And in order to share the videos, it is pretty easy. You can just go over and use the standard sharing function. So you can open up the video that you want to share. For example, this is the video. And once you find the video, you can basically look out for the share option directly. Right in the subscribe like section, you can find a share option, the one with the arrow. You can tap on it. And once you tap on it, this will open up a menu with options to share via social media, email, or copy the video link. You can select any of the method available. And once you select your preferred sharing method, you can just go over and share it wherever you want to share the video. And that is it. The standard sharing process for individual videos remains unchanged, regardless of the removal of the general trending page. But you may just follow this method as well instead of following the training method. So usually this is how you do it. We hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.